Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just have a real quick tip for y'all fishermen that have an older boat. This is a 92 Avenger center console, and I'm having some issues with it not getting fuel and the primer bulb not getting hard. So this is the old one, and what I've learned is anytime there's this gray tubing, this gray tubing has a clear liner on the inside, and over time the gas will disintegrate that stuff, and those little pieces of disintegrated liner will get down into your filter here. So I clean my filter out. It's an older style where you don't have to replace it, you just clean it out. And I got a kit. I'm gonna discard this gray tubing here, and I have the bulb that came with it. So I'm gonna go to the auto parts store and get me some black tubing to replace it. And that black tubing is just single ply. It just has one layer and doesn't have that bad clear. I mean, you could see it on the new stuff too. Maybe not on camera, but there's that clear lining in there, and that's what you want to stay away from. So we're gonna go get some tubing and put it all back together and primer up. Okay, I went and got my black hose, and I got it all hooked up in here. Let's go around to the other side. Here's my new hose. I have some slack here so the outboard can turn back and forth. My new primer bulb all clamped together, and primer bulb was hard. And man, you know, the hard part is you might have to go to the lake to try her out. Bummer. Okay, let's prime her up nice and good. And see if she cranks. Okay, she's... Wow, okay, she died. Gonna give her a little gas. You push this button to take it out of gear, and then you can give it a little gas. Okay, we're gonna let her warm up for a little bit and untie the boat. All right, we're moving, and she seems to be running pretty smoothly back there. Once we get out on the lake, we'll see what this 200 two-stroke can do. All right, let's open her up and see what she's got. She got away. Thank you, Lord. That would have been a handful.